Take command of the road in the 2014 Ram 3500. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include power windows, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.